Hello, Mark. I wanted to show you your monitor. I was able to get the sound working, and we should hear a pop real quick here when it does the sound check. So it's going to kick over to the next screen. I did hear it. I think I did. Let me go ahead and turn the volume up just a tinge. Right now it's searching for a CD-ROM, and there's no CD-ROM drive in there. Okay, there it goes. And we're going to log in. Oh, it's hot here today. They said, yeah, it's cooling down. It's cooled down to 90 degrees. Okay, so it's going through the rest of the boot up process. And everything looks like it's loading well. Yeah, this monitor is in excellent condition. I just need to clean it up a little bit, but I should be able to ship today now that I've got the sound working. So let me go log in here. And this is going to take a minute, so I'll show you what was wrong. You can see the light through the speaker there. So what probably happened it was either age, or they just cranked the volume way up, or somebody, like students would sometimes stick a pencil in underneath a grate, causing it not to work. So let's see how long we get this spinning beach ball. So what I've got here is a folder full of sounds, and it just takes a while because the technology's older. So let's just try any sound here. And what's this one called? Attention sound. That sounds like a good one. So with any luck, go ahead and push play over here.
Attention. Attention.
Okay. Yes. Now if we go to new sound, I want to test make sure I've got the microphone hooked back up here. New. And we'll do record. Attention, attention, attention. And then we can click stop and play back.
Attention, attention, attention.
There we go. So we know that works. And so what you do is you take the shell off. You normally never want to run power like this, but I just wanted to make sure the new speaker I put in for Mark works. And even if it's unplugged, you want to be really careful in this area because it packs, I think, 20,000 volts. So it can literally send me through the wall, probably. I don't know if it's that bad, but it would be like Wile E. Coyote all lit up. But at any rate, I was really careful. There's 2 screws down in there. And then on this side, there's a little